Here are 10 creative things you can do with leftover yarn. Have a bunch of leftover yarn piling up from past projects? Don't toss it. Today I'm sharing 10 fun and creative things you can do with those yarn scraps. Whether it's a few inches or a few yards, there's always something you can make. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can make all sorts of items using yarn. Crochet, knit, or just get creative with pom-poms, tassels, bracelets, or wrapping yarn. Mini pom-poms and tassels. Pom-poms and tassels are quick, easy, and perfect for decorating gifts, bags, keychains, or even turning into garlands. You can make pom-poms by hand or use a pom-pom maker. Crochet or knit coasters. Use small amounts of cotton or acrylic yarn to make colorful coasters. Great for gifts or your own coffee table. Try out an easy round or square pattern. Amigurumi accents. Perfect for adding pops of color to amigurumi toys. Stripes on a plushie, tiny flowers, or hair for a doll. You can create eyes, nose, mouths, and other items. Fingerless gloves or baby booties. Use up your scraps to make mix and match wearable items, especially for kids or baby gifts. From gloves, booties, hats, and more. Scrap yarn blanket or scarf. Combine all your leftovers into a colorful masterpiece. Join granny squares, stripes, or use the magic knot method to keep going without waste. A scrap project is fun and easy to make. Gift wrap ties and tags. Add a personal handmade touch to your gifts. Use yarn instead of ribbon and attach a DIY yarn tag. You can braid the yarn or even crochet a chain to make a ribbon. Yarn wrap decor. Create cute home decor by wrapping your yarn around letters, vases, or candle jars. Easy and mess-free. This is easy to do with an old picture frame or clean glass jar. Stitch markers or bookmarks. Make simple bookmarks or DIY stitch markers. Just a little yarn and creativity can go a long way. A bookmark can be weaved, crocheted, or knitted. Play accessories for kids or pets. Kids and pets love yarn crafts. Braid it into friendship bracelets or create a simple cat toy. You can find all sorts of easy projects to make with yarn. Holiday ornaments. Get festive. Yarn scraps make charming ornaments and tree garlands, great for seasonal decorations or quick gifts. You can even get creative with the colors of yarn you use. So the next time you finish a project, save those scraps. There's always something useful or beautiful you can make with leftover yarn. We'll have a few links and suggestions for projects below. Which project will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.